And the only reason we played true is because we thought we had an agreement, but apparently, that's not the case, so we'd like to withdraw that agreement.
Okay,
I know, but you were here.
all right, sure. Her plea of not true will stand for violations 10, 21, and 23. And you all come back here for a contested hearing.
When do we come back?
Norma, when can we fit them in for a contested hearing?
I can do the January 7th.
All right, January 7th will be your contested hearing.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Judge, I'm sorry, does the number 23 of not true still stand or?
They're asking that that plea of true be changed to not true. Yes,
Thank you.
And who was this?
it is Rose Padilla. No,
No.
that's not gonna happen.
She's gonna have to be in person.
I'm sorry.
No, all witnesses need to be in person.
Oh, even probation?
Yes,
Your Honor,
yes.
with regards to Ms. Ruiz, just a quick announcement.
Mhm.
The evaluation was
Oh,
done.
just one second. Let me have to pull it into Odyssey.
Oh, yes, of course.
Okay. All right, yes.
So Judge, she did have the evaluation scheduled for competency and it was conducted on December the 3rd. The magistrate court setting has a setting for December the 12th, Judge, for the evaluators. Report that's due so we can see where we're at in competency. I believe there was an issue regarding transport this morning, requesting respectfully a recess after after January the 12th of 2026 for status of the competency.
All right, Norma,
Yes, ma'am.
I need a reset date for status on competency eval after the 12th.
January?
Yes.
Yes, I can do. We'll do the 26th, Judge.
All right.
Perfect. I get that date down. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Valderis. All right, have you all reached an agreement?
No, Your Honor, the plea offer has been rejected.
Okay, Norma, I need a jury trial date. How long will this last?
I apologize, Your Honor. I would expect at least 3 days for the state's cases.
All right, 3 days, Ms. Ferguson.
Yes, ma'am, I can do March 24th.
All right, your jury trial date is going to be March 24th. The court will not accept any plea bargain agreements in this case without good cause. Otherwise, you have the plea open to the court. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, just have a seat,
We
counsel.
also have one more matter.
Yes.
We were asking the court to consider modifying his bond condition from full house arrest to partial house arrest or tracking only.
All right, have you all filed a motion?
We have.
They have, Your Honor, the state doesn't have an objection upon proof of employment and verification of employment hours to pretrial services.
Okay.
To modify it to GPS partial. We would object to traffic.
We would ask the court to allow him to go out and look for work, Judge.
Well, now that days, your employment, you do it online. So,
He's been doing that. Yes. He has tried.
all right. So the court will allow employment, partial GPS for employment only with proof of employment and your work schedule.
Just for clarity, Judge, he needs to find a job first before he can.
He needs to, I mean, he can do it online.
He has, Judge, he's been trying.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, and I need from the parties an acknowledgement of discovery signed completed, and I'll sign it. All right, thank you.
Except that last week.
Thank you.
Thank you, Jim.
Thank you.
Happy holidays.
Oh, you too. Good afternoon. How's it going?
Good, good. Let's see.
All right, today is plea deadline date, and I'm assuming you want your jury trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a jury trial date. How long do y'all expect this trial to last?
3 days.
All right, jury trial date, criminal trial division, 3 days.
Family violence.
I'm sorry, family violence. Thank you. All right, March 24th.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And Ms. Ferguson, Mr. Davidson is requesting that Mr. Porter be appointed as his second chair. All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Oh, and counsel, you'll need to do a clothing exchange with him. And according to the jail's rules now, it needs to be done 72 hours in advance.
Okay.
Not more than 72 hours in advance and not less than 72 hours in advance. All right, thank you.
Small detail, big reality check. Clothing exchanges, jail rules, deadlines. This is where court theory meets real-world consequences. These aren't formalities. Miss a 72-hour window and it can derail a defense strategy. Court isn't just about arguments. It's about logistics, precision, and timing.
Stephen Lamone. Are there any applications in this case?
Yes, Your Honor, for community supervision.
All right, Ms. Abrams, application. And he is on page 3. Court is calling 2025 CR 007431, State versus Stephen Lamone. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Megan Galloway for the state.
Renee Munoz on behalf of Mr. Limon.
All right, just one. So everyone in the box, you all need to whisper. I would appreciate it if y'all would whisper in the box, and then when you're before me, don't whisper.
Mhm.
All right, we're back on the record. And are you Stephen Lamone?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
That is correct, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Lamone, did you review the application for community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, sir.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Judge.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Lamone, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? You're charged with driving while intoxicated third or more. That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state would call in the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yeah.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
In my opinion, he does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
That is correct, Judge.
Mr. Limone, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering into this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, sir.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 8 years in the prison, $0 fine, no application for deferred adjudication. State recommends community supervision. There's to be restitution to Trinity Key in the amount of $1,806.94. Ignition interlock for half the term.
Or an affidavit of non-driving.
Thank you.
I believe the defendant may not have a gun.
Okay. Or an affidavit of non-driving. And what I can tell you, the court will add to that, no access to any vehicles.
Yes, Your Honor.
And a 2-year driver's license suspension. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
It is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Judge.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 5 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 200 hours community service restitution, 10 days in the Bexar County Jail as a condition, participation in successful completion of VTC and inpatient treatment through VTC, DWI education and victim impact panel. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations? Then to the offense as charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State, any evidence?
Number states one in attachment.
No objection.
All right, state, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes,
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will find you guilty.
This is the point of no return. Once the judge finds sufficient evidence, the case stops being hypothetical. Rights have been waived, appeals are limited. The story shifts from what happened to what comes next. And notice how calm the courtroom is, because legally, the biggest decision has already been made.
Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor, if we may.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, Mr. Dumont has some root issues relating to substance use, Judge. All of his previous cases have been DWIs. He has not been afforded in those other DWIs the chance for treatment to get a handle on his issues, Judge. He was screened indeed eligible for Veterans Treatment Court. It's a very intensive program, which I believe Mr. Limon would benefit from, being that his military service and the issue he incurred because of his military service are tied with the issues he's currently dealing with now in terms of dependency issues, Judge. So we're respectfully requesting this honorable court follow the negotiated plea bargaining agreement for probation with the condition of Veteran Treatment Court, Judge. Furthermore, if the court would consider in terms of the 200 community service hours, if he does AA and A classes, he may be afforded the opportunity to work his community service hours through the use of those meetings. And if the honorable court sees fit, he has been in custody pending the resolution of this matter. If he could be granted the 10 days Bear County Jail, being the time he did upfront in relation to this case, Judge. Furthermore, he can reside with his mother at her address. And we're requesting this honorable court sees fit for him to be on full house arrest GPS, no access to any vehicles, and that way BTC can set him up with treatments, hopefully at an inpatient facility to get a handle on.
All right. Ms. Abrams, are you ready?
She didn't walk out.
Okay. All right, this is what the court is going to do. There's to be a referral to VTC. My understanding, he's already been accepted.
That's correct, Judge.
All right. So instead of referral, I'm going to order VTC. There's to be 10 days in the Bear County jail as a condition of probation. Once you are placed on probation, your case will be transferred to the Veterans Treatment Court. And if they make the decision that you're not to serve the 10 days, then they can make that decision. The reason why I'm doing that is because if they want inpatient treatment, they may transfer you from the jail and just have someone to pick you up to take you to the inpatient treatment facility. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, ignition interlock for half the term, or he can provide an affidavit of non-driving and no access to motor vehicles. There's to be 2-year license suspension, 200 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to allow him to deduct an hour from those community service restitution hours for every sober support meeting he completes. DWI education course, DWI intervention, victim impact panel live, field visits 1 time per month until further notice, full GPS, waive fees. There's to be restitution of $1,806.94 to Trinity Key. Probation, is there any, and there's to be 8 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 5 years. And there's a $0 fine. Probation, is there anything else? No, he's already been accepted into Veterans Treatment Court, so they'll take care of that. All right, is there anything else you need from the court to be successful? All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing, Veterans Treatment Program, that's a good program for you, right? If you successfully complete everything, when you graduate, if I'm in town, you let me know you're graduating, I'll show up for your graduation.
Thank you.
Okay. So which branch did you serve in?
This is one of the rare human moments in criminal court. The judge isn't just sentencing, she's investing. Veterans Treatment Court isn't easy, but it's structured for success. When a judge says, "I'll show up to your graduation," that's accountability mixed with hope. The real question now isn't punishment, it's follow-through.
Okay, well, you can do this, all right? If I didn't think you could do this, I would have read that report and you know what I would have said? I would have said, I'm not following this agreement. So I know you can do it. The state wants you to be successful. Your attorney wants you to be successful. Even though your case is going to be transferred to them and they'll be in charge of whatever conditions they set for you. If there's anything else you need, you can always come back here if I'm here, all right? All right, good luck to you. You're welcome. Thank you. And Renee, if you let VTC know that if they don't want him to do 10 days, it's completely up to them.
Yes, Judge, I'll update them that the probation is granted at that condition. I'll make that request. Thank you for reminding me.
All right, thank you. Ruben Cancino. All right, so what is happening with this case?
We're asking for a 30-day reset, Judge. This is first setting. We have an offer good for 30 days.
Okay,
In the last couple of days, have got notice of additional discovery. We would, that come back in 30 days. Like I said, we've got an offer available, so.
right. And how do you pronounce your last name?
Cancino, ma'am.
Cancino.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Cancino, Cancino.
Cancino.
Yes.
All right, Cancino. All right. I can only say it if I do this, Cancino. All right. Can I have 30 days for a plea deadline date?
January 22nd.
All right, we'll be back on January 22nd. If your attorney wants you brought back sooner, he can let us know. We'll place you on the docket sooner. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Vicente Bravo. Hello, and I know you were recently appointed.
Yes, Judge.
And do you need a reset for discovery?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and I need a 30-day reset for discovery.
Miss,
I know. All right, this is what we're going to call it for. We'll recall you for January 22nd.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Once you sign the reset form, you'll be excused.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you in just a moment, sir.
Who's here on Richard Cantu?
No, it's
Richard.
Cantu.
Sorry.
Oh, thank you. That's okay. I thought there were going to be two people on this. All right, are you all ready to proceed on the NTR?
Yes, sure.
Court is calling 2021 CR 11554, State versus Richard Cantu. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Michelle Savetta for Mr. Cantu.
And are you Mr. Cantu?
Sure.
All right, did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision and First Amendment Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney, and did you understand it? Are you the same Richard Cantu as placed on deferred adjudication in 2021 CR 11554 for the offense of obstruction or retaliation on September 16, 2024 for a period of 3 years? Is that you?
Yeah.
All right, state.
Violation of condition number 4 in Bear County, Texas, the defendant Richard Cantu did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of August, September 2025 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
State.
We would abandon the remainder.
Any objections to the waivers? Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4?
True.
No. Are you pleading true to number 4? Do you understand? No. Listen to me. Are you pleading true to violation of condition number 4? Yes or no?
No. Don't know what I mean.
Oh, so this is what it means. The state is saying that you did not report. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Did you report?
No, I couldn't find the.
Nope, nope. I just want you to answer my questions. All right. So you have just pled true to the fact that you didn't report. Do you understand that? Now, whatever agreement you've worked out with the state, I don't have to follow that. Do you understand? I can send you to prison for 10 years. Do you understand? So knowing that I can send you to prison for 10 years and up to a $10,000 fine, do you still want to plead true? Yes or no?
No.
All right, he doesn't want to plead true.
True for the probation office, I could not find the probation office. Yeah.
All right, so here's the thing. This is his second motion to revoke. I know he know what's going on here. So I'm going to explain it to you again. And if you wanted to proceed with saying yes, no, not answer my questions, we can do that. And this will be recalled for a contested hearing. The state will bring in a probation officer or whatever witnesses they need. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Now,
I could not. find
now,
the-
listen to me. Are you pleading true to not reporting, yes or no?
No.
All right, so we need a contested hearing. All right. What date for a contested hearing? Failure to report.
I can do the 7th, Judge,
Do you want to do the 7th
or the 9th.
or the 9th? Now it's up to you. If you want to bring it back for another day, that's fine.
We do second.
All right.
15th.
All right, we'll see you back on the 15th. The state will call whatever witnesses they need to call to seek to prove the failure to report. And what I can tell you on failure to reports, usually the person that needs to be called is the probation officer. And that probation officer is going to come in and say, either you reported or you did not.
I did not report. So I know I didn't report to nobody when I got released the 3 times.
So I don't understand why you're not asking my questions.
But to be saying, yes, I did not see no one, or no, I never went into the door. I'm saying that I never went to see the probation officer, because I never saw him, I never got reported to see him.
Mhm,
I never got his address or his phone number to see.
mhm.
Yes, I wanna move forward with my case. I wanna take it to. I wanna take it all the way, like guilty and not guilty, I play guilty. I pay no contest also, but I never saw my probation officer when I got released. I never had ever seen.
You want to talk to him some more?